What?
There's a gunshot.
First sexual dream you ever had. Black chick from Clueless. Dead fucking serious.
Dead fucking serious.
I'm not even fucking kidding. First sexual dream I ever had. Black chick from Clueless. Second dream, your fucking mom. No, on a serious note though. Megan Fox is the only woman for me. I would never lie about that. Listen here. Real quick, listen up. I would walk on my hands and knees through 5 miles in a desert of broken glass to suck the last dick that fucked her. She's my bitch. It's cool, like we're gonna be together someday.
Say some more funny stuff.
Some funny stuff. Let's do some Japanese talking.
Japanese talking?
Jen, well, you taping this? Don't you whistle at me. Yes! Let's get excited. Never thought I'd be so good at shaking hands. You
Best do before I see my elephant on.
God, what? Am I alive right now? What the fuck's going on?